Alright guys, y'all see this. There is not gonna be a car show today. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, what am I gonna do? Well, I do know this is definitely going into tomorrow because I ain't got nothing I can do with this type of weather. And look at this. Oh, my bad guys. I know my radio is dirty, whatever. But yeah, it's pretty cold out here. And it's raining, so at that now. I mean, they got something going on down here. Oops, sorry guys, I didn't know I need to clean y'all off. My bad. But yeah, they got something going on. It's a bunch of cars. It's this one little spot. I rode past it. I didn't really see too much. And plus, I know I told y'all it's got a little warm. That it was gone. They don't have a cruise in. I'm thinking what it is people just left over from it because there's not a whole lot of cars out there. And me personally, it is too cold for me to be out here walking around like a few little old school cars and all that. And it's still kind of sprinkling. It almost looked like snow a little bit, but I don't know. I'm gonna ride by here one more time. Oh, and everything like the main event supposed to be at 5 o'clock today. I don't know. It don't supposed to rain, but I don't know. I'm gonna go see if I can see anything coming from this way. Whoa, what is that? What is that, guys? No, it's an SS. Thing look good. Hope y'all got to see that. You see all these cars over here? I just don't see where everybody is at, cause it don't look like. Oh, they over there. Oh no, it ain't enough to go over there, guys. Not for me to record. Yeah, they got a little few things over there. I think I'm gonna pass on that one. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that one, guys. I need to there it go again. Hope y'all can see that. A little something, man. I'm sure it's gonna get a lot better. Here and get my ass over before I have a wreck. I'm sure it's gonna be more out here later on. Like I said a few minutes ago, I don't know if I'm gonna be out here because it's too dang cold, and then I don't know if I want to record it, because I remember one year they had it, and basically it's just everybody coming out the house, just getting together. I mean, they do have some nice cars down here, don't get me wrong, but I just sorry about that, guys. I'm all over the dang place. I don't know. Some of that stuff just don't excite me. I put it that way. And some of it do, but hopefully later on tonight, man, it'll be something better. I just dressed a little, put on some extra clothes or something, come out here, give y'all something. But yeah, so I will be using my other camera. I don't know why I didn't charge the second battery. Y'all know on them cameras, man, the battery go dead super quick. That's another reason why I use my phone. But y'all just hold that thought until the next go round. So apparently they still out here, you know, on this strip. So we gonna find out just what's going on down here. It'll be a few minutes before I can get down here. I'm gonna let y'all know now that it's raining and it's freezing cold. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna get, but it will be on my camera, like I said earlier in the video. I'm actually about to turn it on now. Alright, let's see what we're gonna be working with. Let's see how it look in the camera. Oh, it's kind of clear. Alright guys, I think it's about go time. Oh, police. Yeah, it ain't real packed out here yet. I ain't gonna turn it on. I ain't gonna switch all over just yet. I don't even think it's any like bad cars out here really. I'll let y'all see that. Few little somethings out here. Nah, not necessarily. Everybody just riding the strip. Okay, I need to be getting over there. God dang it. I don't know if I can get it on the camera. They ain't really got too much over there. Got a big ass truck coming up. That thing is jacked up there, boy. I just don't know about rolling my window down, though. Man, you mean to tell me that this is it? I came out here in the cold for this. Say y'all playing. The parking lot over there kind of packed though. That's where the cars is at over there, I guess. I'm glad I ain't gonna have that in the video. Oh, yeah, they kind of packed over there. A little lifted truck. Oh no. Not hitting the frisbee. I'm pretty sure later on tonight it'll get way more packed than this. I'm sure. Got a little crew over there. Little crew. I worked one of them dudes. That go look like old Cam. I see now I'm on the wrong side of the road. So what I'm gonna do is come back through and get on the right side. Might hit this thing one more time, back and forth, and then I'm gonna probably call it a day, cause you know what I'm saying, I really ain't seeing too much of what I like I said, guys, sometimes it's stuff out here, sometimes it's not. But you know, oh Lord, it's gonna take me forever to turn around. All these cars. Yeah, I got y'all all over the place. My bad, guys. Just give me a minute. I don't want to turn the camera off. I have it long as I can possibly get it. Somebody banging, man. I'm gonna have to put some B-roll on here in a minute. Come on, man. Just let me in now. Great. Oh, you got to slow down. You stupid. Just thank you, Jesus Christ. That was not that hard, now was it? Wasn't that hard at all. You had to do is let me in now. Oh, y'all gonna catch hell trying to get out. And I am too. hurry up and get up here before anybody else. Alright guys, give me 1 second and B-roll. Alright guys, there you have it. Yeah, like I said, man, just a big old family reunion, basically. That's what I call it. Everybody just getting together and just shooting the shit, man. Just hanging out. I got this heat going, so it wasn't as cold. That's why I had the windows down. I know at the beginning it was raining a little bit, but it didn't slacked up. I cannot make any promises that there's gonna be some more in this video as far as me going back out there tonight, because at nighttime that's when they really start showing out. But it's what, 6 o'clock, so it started at 5, so it ain't. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna go back out there or not. Probably not, but you know what I'm saying. I just wanted to get y'all a little something, man. Today is Saturday. I'm probably just gonna go and just, because I gotta add a lot of stuff to this video, so I'm pretty sure y'all will be getting this video on Sunday. Like I gotta put the music that y'all, damn, that made no sense. That music y'all heard that I'm telling y'all that I gotta alright, whatever. I know you ain't in my spot. I know. Okay, I'm about to say. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, y'all like what you're seeing, y'all want to see more good looking videos. I won't say good looking, but more videos, man, go on and turn that post notification bell on. Y'all can go and leave a comment what y'all think, if y'all seen anything that look good. I know that camera probably wasn't the greatest. Again, like I said, I have not went in the house and did nothing to it, so yeah. But it was just a little something different. You know what I'm saying? Y'all been seeing the same thing for the last couple of videos. I really didn't want to get out here and do this, but you know what I'm saying, I had to. Y'all, it's cricket. Even more cricket. But whatever. But yeah, man, got the Old Faithful. Just what was going on right there. I said I wasn't going to use it again, but I didn't want to have to keep turning the camera back and forth. So that's why I just went on with that. I think it might be next week. No, I'm not even gonna sit there and tell that lie. I'm not gonna tell that lie. It's probably gonna be the week after. Sometime in that week, I was sitting in the house and I came up with a new idea with this rap. I think y'all gonna like this. It's gonna stand out so much that I guarantee you somebody else is gonna try to do it. But if they don't, then hey, one of a kind. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, like I said, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm finna get my ass in this house because it is a little chilly. Where we at? 57. I think it's gonna drop down to 53 around about 7, 8. I think it said. I ain't gonna know because I'm gonna be in the house. But hey, y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna shoot them out there as much as I can. Yeah, so it's your boy Soap Serious. Peace.